How to turn off Snapchat shutter sound on iPhone. So sometimes whenever you're actually taking a snap and then maybe you click on the shutter button too much, but then it takes a certain sound, right? So what if you don't want that sound? Well, there is not a setting inside the Snapchat app itself that will allow you and give you the option to do this. But what you can actually do is there are two things you can do. If your iPhone comes with the ringer switch, you can turn on silent mode by simply turning on the ringer switch, or you can also simply turn on do not disturb mode over here. When you turn on do not disturb mode, it will not take sounds over there. Otherwise, you can also set it to completely silent mode, and once you set it to silent mode, then after that, even when you take a shutter or record a video, then in that case your iPhone will not actually record the snap, or maybe just go ahead and then basically also take a shutter sound. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.